If you've ever used a Temu coupon code and felt like it barely did anything, you're not alone. A lot of people think Temu coupons are random or weak, but the truth is, there's a specific way they need to be activated, and most people completely miss it. Before I explain, I've put the working Temu coupon code right here on the screen, and it's also in the description and pinned comment, along with a few backup codes that are still active. Now here's the secret most people don't know. Temu coupon codes don't automatically apply just because you paste them in. You actually have to activate the coupon correctly first, or it won't save you anything. Here's how to do it the right way. Step 1. Click the first link in the description. This step is important because it connects the coupon directly to your account. Once the page opens, you'll see a QR code on your screen. If you're on your phone, scan the QR code. If you're on desktop, you'll see a manual code you can enter instead. After that, go into your Temu account and open the coupon section. You should now see the coupon added there. Now comes the part most people miss. When you're checking out, you must manually select the coupon under Available Coupons. If you don't tap it, Temu won't apply the discount at all. Once selected, your total drops instantly. That's the secret that actually saves you more. If you want to try it, the working code is on screen and linked below. And if it finally works for you, comment how much you saved. I like seeing the results.